This video will show you the differences between a major in accounting and economics and the opportunities that they can provide. According to PayScale, the average pay of someone with a bachelor's degree in accounting is $71,000, and the average reported pay for someone with a bachelor's degree in economics is $72,000. The similarity could be because there is some overlap in the jobs that an economics major and an accounting major will qualify for. A degree in accounting should give you good job opportunities with just a bachelor's degree. This is because the degree can qualify you for a number of accounting roles, and it can also qualify you for a number of roles in related fields, such as finance and business, since the accounting knowledge is useful in many different business applications. However, many of the more lucrative accounting roles require you to be a CPA. Usually, you need to complete 150 credit hours of classes to become a licensed CPA. As a result, it is also common for people to get a master's degree in accounting as well, since a bachelor's degree will usually only get you 120 credit hours. However, another option would be to dual major in something else such as finance as well. Jobs you can qualify for with a bachelor's degree in accounting can include accountant, account manager, financial analyst, tax manager, and a financial advisor. Other jobs that people with a master's degree in accounting get includes forensic accountant, managerial accountant, and an auditor. According to the data on PayScale, with a bachelor's degree in economics, you can expect to qualify for jobs such as data analyst, business analyst, operations manager, and a financial analyst. A degree in economics will usually qualify you for a lot of analyst-type job roles, which are quickly growing due to companies acquiring more and more data each year. Many of these roles will require the knowledge of programming in languages such as R and Python. While doing an economics degree, it would help a lot to make sure to learn how to do data analysis in R and Python. Sometimes R will be taught in an economics degree, but rarely Python, so you will likely need to self-study them. It would also help to complete projects that show that you can make use of R and Python to analyze data. Economics can also help to get data science jobs, but it will be necessary for you to take classes related to statistics, machine learning, and data science, or at least to self-study them and to complete projects. It would also likely help a lot to take some computer science classes. If your university does not offer data science classes, it would be necessary for you to self-study them using websites such as edX, Coursera, Udemy, or DataCamp. When compared with alternative degrees such as computer science, statistics, or math, an economics degree will not usually be as competitive for data science type job roles. This is because an economics degree will have less math, advanced statistics, and computer science classes. Economics can be quite a general degree, so getting a job with a bachelor's degree in economics by itself can be difficult, which is why it would help to supplement the major with more applied classes towards the jobs that you are interested in. When compared with an accounting degree, you can expect it to be harder to find a job with an economics degree unless you take applied classes towards a specific type of job. An accounting degree can be difficult, especially in the junior and senior years when the classes become more specialized. Overall, accounting is generally considered as being a moderately difficult major. If you decide to do the CPA exam, it will also be difficult, since the average pass rate is around 50% nationally. The difficulty of an economics degree will depend a lot on the specific program. Some economics programs will be more math-heavy and focused on statistics and its use in economics, whereas other programs will not even require calculus and will be more focused on broad economic theory. If you do decide to major in economics, it would help a lot to consider what you want to get out of the major and the jobs you are interested in, so that you can choose an economics program that is suitable for you. Overall, you can expect accounting to be similarly difficult to economics, depending on how math-heavy the economics program is. If you are thinking of majoring in accounting, it could also help to minor in finance. This is because many people with accounting degrees end up in finance roles. Getting a finance minor could help you when looking for jobs within finance. Getting an internship in the field could also help a lot. If you want to go far in accounting, it would also help a lot to make sure to complete the CPA exam as soon as you are able to. This is because many of the more desirable jobs require you to have completed the CPA exam. While accounting can be a degree that provides good job opportunities, it can still be very competitive. With that being the case, it would help a lot to try to get some summer internships while you are completing the degree. It is common for economics majors to end up in programming type roles after graduating. It would help you a lot to make sure to take some programming classes as electives, and a computer science minor would likely also be a very good option. Doing this would also open you up to well-paying roles, such as in software engineering. It is also not uncommon for economics majors to find themselves in finance-type roles. If you decide to major in economics, a finance minor could also help to broaden your job opportunities. In addition, if you are interested in going to graduate school for economics, it would help a lot to make sure to take some more advanced mathematics classes, since they are often required for graduate economics. At the very least, it would be necessary to take a class in differential calculus, integral calculus, multivariable calculus, linear algebra, and discrete mathematics. At the undergraduate level, you can expect an accounting degree to qualify you for more jobs when compared with an economics degree by itself. This is because an accounting degree is employable at the bachelor's degree level, whereas an economics bachelor's degree can be quite general in nature, and a master's degree is often required in order to qualify for more high-paying economics jobs. Since it can be difficult to find jobs with just an economics bachelor's degree, if you decide to get an economics degree, it would help a lot to make sure to take classes related to the job you are interested in, to complete projects related to that job, and to try to get some summer internships. Getting a minor in computer science or finance would also help to broaden your job opportunities significantly, as would completing projects showing that you are able to do data analysis using programming languages such as Python and R.